Hello everyone, in this video we are going to create an emulation of Juniper emulation on VBox or VirtualBox and GNS3. By the way, for you who are preparing for Juniper JNCI exam, I hope this video can help you for your hands-on practice on the Juniper, because I believe one of the secrets to mastering a technology is by doing some hands-on on the technology. We get our hands dirty with the technology. Okay, without further ado, let's begin. Before getting further, there are three things. This is three things that we need to prepare. The first one is JunOS Olive. This is actually the Juniper operating system for the emulation, and the second one, VirtualBox, to emulate the JunOS and GNS3. Okay, I'll show you how to get all of them. This is the VirtualBox. Okay, let's begin for the first one. For the JunOS Olive, you can just simply typing this on Google. Of course, we love Google. JunOS Olive. Oh, correct. JunOS Olive 12.1 or 1.9. And then, oh, alright, this is JunOS Olive. Okay, I got a typo there. Okay, here it is. You can find or click one of the source right here. I recommend the first one, and you will find the download link inside there for the JunOS Olive. And the second one is VirtualBox. Just go to virtualbox.org. Here it is, the link, virtualbox.org. And here it is, click the downloads menu. Okay, you got an option here. For Windows users, click this link. Mac user, click this link. Linux, Solaris, and so on. Don't forget the VirtualBox extension pack if you want to use VirtualBox for the next time. It is for extra features. And then GNS3.com for the last, not least. Very awesome software for simulate a network. It is a network simulator. Okay, for the GNS3 you have to sign up first. After you sign up, log in, and you will find the download link inside. Okay, let's say that we already have these three things inside your computer. The first thing that we need to do is to import this JunOS Olive into your VirtualBox. Okay, right here I have imported my JunOS Olive. Okay, to import this, just click the file menu, import appliance, and click this button, choose a virtual appliance file to import. So here's the JunOS Olive that I have downloaded, but I have imported, so I don't need to open it again. But I'll open it until the last step. So this is where you have to create or edit the specification. Just let it default, but check this checkbox. Reinitialize the MAC address of all network cards. This is for you who want to clone the Juniper, or you have to create another one. You want to have multiple Juniper operating system on your environment, maybe. Just click this to make all the MAC addresses different, and click import. But I don't need to click import because I have imported this right here. Okay, that's the first step. The second one is open your GNS3. So here we go. This is the GNS3. Okay, let's move it there. Okay, GNS3 is very awesome software simulator for networking. If you want to import the JunOS Olive from VirtualBox, click the edit, click preferences, and VirtualBox VMs. Right here I have imported my JunOS also. But if you want to import, click new, click VM list, I don't find it here. Why? Because I've imported there. But if you haven't imported your GNOS operating system, you'll find here. But let's delete my GNOS to make it clear. Okay, click edit again in preferences, click VirtualBox VMs, click new. So here we go, my GNOS operating system from VirtualBox. Click this one. If you have multiple GNOS, it will shown here. It will be shown here, I mean. Okay, click finish. Okay, for the first time you import it, it has an icon like a PC or a laptop maybe. Okay, just click apply and OK. It should be on router, but there's no GNOS router or Juniper router here because it goes to here. It's really here and devices, because we import it from VirtualBox, so it thinks, the GNS3 thinks that it is a host or a PC, so we can move the GNOS to routers. So here's how to do it. Click VirtualBox VMs, click GNOS, click edit. Oh no, not edit, but the change symbol. I'm sorry guys. We have to move the category to routers, and you can change the symbol to router net flow, router firewall. That's up to you, but just use this symbol, router. Okay, and click OK. And then we're almost done. This is GNOS router or Juniper routers, and drag it to the white port here. I think this is GNOS, and click start. It's very simple. Click start and the VirtualBox will launch your GNOS. And click console, or by right click this router and click console. So here we go, we are on Juniper. This is very awesome because we don't need to buy for real equipment for the real device, because it is still suitable for Gen CIA. Okay, it is booting right now. Okay, here it is, the login prompt. So input the root and no password, because in Juniper devices, when it is still fresh like factory default, we don't have another username, just input root and password without password. So after that you can create the password and username and so on and so on. So we input root and no password. So here it is, you are already in Juniper devices, in emulation of course. Okay, let's go CLI and let's go to global config. This is like global config in another vendor, you know what I mean. Okay, after that you can find in Google some basic configuration in Juniper. For the basic configuration, I will try to create another video in the next video for the basic configuration. Okay guys, we are done. We have emulate the Juniper on GNS3 and VirtualBox. Okay guys, I hope this has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.